Hi, Colin. Um, this is one of the themes that we've created in the past, and this is literally just an example. Everything would be obviously be bespoke to your business and theme and brand. So we'll just go through the layout to see if it suits your business, and hopefully we can get started for you. So literally, very simple and clean design. This website, even though it's currently being displayed on a laptop, is actually more suited for a mobile because 95% of your customers will most likely be using a mobile device. So it's very, very mobile friendly, and that's why you can see sort of chunkier buttons and quite simplistic styling. So just going through the website, the first three bits that would come up would be facts about vaping because it is still new. People still do want to learn about it. What is vaping and new arrivals? So new stock and everything else would that's where that would take you to. Um, Moving down, uh, it tells you a little bit. You've got the space to tell customers about your business, the best products, and a nice selection of your best sellers as well as popular categories. So obviously juices would probably be very good, devices and everything else along with it. Again, this is very good for your business because it starts explaining to the potential client why they should buy from you. But rather than promoting your business, you're actually promoting the product in a way that is a health benefit essentially. So it's really a smart way of sort of um, marketing the product. And again, it's just nice, bold, and simple. On the home page, you have some products that can be displayed as well. We'll get into that. And then, of course, as you was explaining to me how important brands are, you have a little area where you can display your best-selling brands. Teams, stats, blogging. This is quite an important piece of marketing, and a contact us footer. So again, like I say, this is just a very basic example layout. It's not necessarily going to be exactly like that. It could be like that. We just sort of make it bespoke for for yourself, really. Right. So if we click shop now, that would take you to the product page. Now you have a menu that actually sort of can take you further into different areas of your website. But literally, the idea is to sell, so that's why we have shop now, and boom, it just takes you here. You have your products displayed, your categories on the left, with what the products are and which sort of area the customer potentially wants to go to. And for example, if you was to click on this one here, the green Apollo tube, for example, these are all examples. Um, this is what it would look like, sort of thing. You could have as many images, they'd be at the bottom here. And of course, you'd have like a high resolution image, I'm assuming, um, of the product, a little description, add to cart, and that's where the shopping cart gets involved. And because this is a dummy website, you can't, but that's where the shopping cart would get involved and the customer would pay online. You can also have related products to try and do upsells and everything else. So going back to the actual website features, you said you was opening up a cafe. It would be really, really cool to integrate that into this website. We'd find a smart way of doing that. We could use so many different ways of actually getting the promotion out there to try and get people booked in to come in, and maybe even like a consultation service where people can come up and they don't know what to go for, so therefore you can provide them some advice, sell them while they're having a cup of tea or coffee or whatever, things like that. So that's we've got quite a good skeleton there to work on. As you are an active uh, uh, um, person that's actually looking to get a website built, I thought I would just leave this with you. Again, because I'm aware that you're looking with someone else, there's no issue if you didn't choose to go ahead. I just thought, why not put it out there? Thanks for your time. Cheers.